guys, I wanted to show you something that I created that helps me with the large round type spreads that I do and that you probably do. So they would be the year-long spread, the birthday spread, anything that kind of goes around in a circular kind of a reading, right? So before, when I would do them, these are my favorite angel cards. So these are the Radleigh Valentine angel cards. And I wanted to choose these because they're on the bigger side. And so I would do kind of like this. And I don't know, I didn't end up liking it too much. It wasn't, that's the way that I started doing them. So I wanted to do something in more of a circular pattern. So I created this. I got this from the dollar store. It's just a thin piece of round craft plywood. I took these little hangy things off. And then I took a scarf that I wasn't using anymore. I just cut it out and I hot glue gunned it to the back. And so I know this is kind of, I'm trying to make it, it was so hard for me to get these angles. So now when I do it, I thought, now you might already do this, but I like it with the board, and if you're not already doing it, so this is where I would do, if I were doing a time, if I was doing like a clock or I was doing a year, I start over at 1 o'clock or like January, February, March, April. Oh, I have this thing here, so pardon me, May, June, of course it would be there, July, August, September, October, November, and then December would be up here. And then you could do something that would be up here out of your way. So you could put a theme card, you could put this is the overall you could put something here and then just make your way around that way. I really liked doing this. Again, you don't need the board, but for whatever reason, it really made me feel like I was staying in the lines and being able to kind of guide myself around easier. So that's how I do that, and I hope that's helpful for you. And if you've never seen it done where it goes around, then that might be easier than other ways where they kind of go out and in like that. It really is a preference, but I hope you enjoyed this video.